What it does. An Ansible Playbook is a YAML file that defines a set of tasks to be executed on a remote host. In this case, we'll create a playbook to manage Linux users, including creating, modifying, and deleting users. Command/example. YML. File, manage_users. YML. Dash. Name, manage Linux users. Hosts, all. Become, yes. Tasks. Name, create a new user. User. Name, John. State, present. Groups, will. Append, yes. Name, modify an existing user. User. Name, Jane. State, present. Group, staff. Append, yes. Name, delete a user. User. Name, Bob. State, absent. Breaking it down. Hosts, all specifies that the playbook should run on all hosts in the inventory. Become, yes, enables privilege escalation to perform tasks that require root access. The user module is used to manage users. The name parameter specifies the username, and the state parameter specifies the desired state, present or absent. The groups parameter specifies the groups to add the user to, and the append parameter specifies whether to append a user to the groups or replace the existing groups. Common mistakes. Forgetting to use become, yes, when performing tasks that require root access. Not specifying the state parameter, which can lead to unexpected behavior. Not using the append parameter when modifying existing users, which can remove the user from existing groups. Try this next. Try running the playbook with the check flag to see what changes would be made without actually applying them. Ansible Playbook inventory manage_users. YML check. Pro tip. Use Ansible's built-in user module to manage users, as it provides a simple and consistent way to create, modify, and delete users across different Linux distributions. Additionally, consider using Ansible's template module to manage user configuration files, such as bashroot and ssh/authorized_keys. What it does. Idempotency in Ansible means that a task can be repeated multiple times without changing the result beyond the initial application. When creating users, idempotency ensures that if a user already exists, the task won't fail or create duplicate users. Command/example. Bash. Create a user with idempotency using Ansible's user module. Name, create a user. Ansible. Built-in. User. Name, John. State, present. UID, 1001. Group, users. Breaking it down. Ansible. Built-in. User, this is the Ansible module for managing users. Name, the username to create. State, present, ensures the user exists. If the user already exists, this task will not fail. UID and group, optional parameters to specify the user's UID and primary group. Common mistakes. Forgetting to specify state, present, which can lead to the user being deleted if they already exist. Not handling the case where the user already exists with different attributes, e.g. UID, group. Try this next. Experiment with creating a user with a specific home directory and shell using the Ansible built-in user module. For example, bash. Name, create a user with custom home directory and shell. Ansible. Built-in. User. Name, Jane. State, present. UID, 1002. Group, users. Home/Jane. Shell/bin/bash. Pro tip. When managing users across multiple systems, consider using Ansible's group module in conjunction with the user module to ensure consistent group membership and permissions. This approach helps maintain idempotency and simplifies user management at scale.